2, 3, cut.
When this project started, I don't know that I envisioned anything as gorgeous as what we have now. It is something else. It is an absolute treasure. Just a heartfelt thank you from the city and all the residents and all the business owners for giving us this beautiful gem of a bridge. This trail means everything to us, and we really appreciate your support, not just with this bridge, but ODNR supports us throughout a lot of projects and a lot of things that we do in this city.
The importance of outdoor activities can never, ever be underestimated. And this bike trail gives everybody of all abilities the opportunity to enjoy a part of nature at their speed.
Most of our infrastructure work that we do is not necessarily visible, but there are these rare cases where we get the opportunity to work on infrastructure that we need and use, and it connects us in fun and exciting ways to recreation and access to our state's incredible natural resources.
Coming in here today, I've not been down here for several years. I'm just glad to be able to be here again and be part of this ceremony for the new bridge.
So for 75 years, Ohio has had one agency with a unified voice for conservation, for preservation, for promoting the great outdoors, for protecting it for the future. For 75 years, this agency has had an opportunity to serve all of you, and our folks do a great job. Welcome, come on in.
It's a great bridge.
We want people to enjoy it, that's the whole point.